National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Menard County, southwestern Logan County, north central Sangamon County until 3 p.m. At 2:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Middletown, or 12 miles south of Mason City, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Williamsville around 2:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Elkhart and Cornland. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 108 and 121.